And there the girlfriend just showed up. Hi, Bailey. Go get the ball, babe. Hi, Bale. Hi, Bale, sit. This is Bailey. This is Raider's girlfriend. You ready, Bailey? Good girl. Come on. Now, Raider will follow her around until she finally gives it up. She doesn't give it up quite as easily. Oh, there we go. We have the ball back. There come the kids. Oh, now she's going to play hard to get. Ooh, he got it. And there's the kids just waiting for it. Now Bailey will stay out there because she's not stupid at all. She knows I'm going to throw it again. There you go. She's wasting her energy. And there comes Rodney. He's a super duper ball thrower. My camera work might get a little better.